Fully active, my father. Cook and vibe.
Fully active people, welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. Welcome to the channel. If you ain't subscribed already, do the right thing quick and fast. Press that like button, get the video moving. Today we got another twist on some food. Today we're cooking something different again, people. Magnum wings today, people. That is it, people. Magnum wings. You're gonna need some wings, obviously. You're gonna need some magnums, obviously. You're gonna need some all-purpose seasoning. I'm just showing you how I would do it. I'm using this all-purpose as well and this chicken seasoning. I've got a Scotch bonnet. I've got a lime. I've got some honey. I've got some red pepper flakes. And I have got this smokehouse maple seasoning that I brought back from America, but you can adapt in any which way you need to. You know what I'm saying? That is it, fully active. First things first, people, we're going to chop up the wings and then we are going to marinate them with the seasoning, just the all-purpose and the chicken seasoning at this point, fully active. That is it, people. Now, the cheapest way to do wings is buy them like this. Now you can get them in other ways, but honestly, chop up your, just sometimes you have to still do graft. I can't stand people that buy garlic chopped up already. Brother, chop up your meat, you understand? See it there? Flat and something, you know what I mean? Flat and round, that is it, fully active, seasoning time. Yes, people, all-purpose seasoning. Now what it is, I don't want to overcomplicate the recipe. Do you understand? Because obviously a lot is going to be going into the Magnum glaze. So at this point, I don't want to overcomplicate the seasoning. You know what I'm saying? Some simple chicken seasoning. This one has got a lot of different things in it. And some all-purpose. We don't need no more than that. You know what I'm saying? So the first thing is first is to season up these. And we're going to cook these off first. That is it. Yeah, chicken is ready, seasoned anyway. What we're going to do is we're going to fry it for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to put them in the oven. Fully active. Yeah, you hear that? So we're frying them for 5 minutes just to seal in the flavour. You understand? Then we're going to put them in the oven. And then once the glaze is finished, you just chill out and wait till then. You understand? If you ain't subscribed already, do the right thing and press the like button, get the video moving. All right, they've been fried for 5 minutes. Now, just to seal in the flavour, you understand? Yeah, man, don't do the air fryer thing. Man's an original old school cook, you get me? Now, these are going to go in the oven for about 25 minutes. Yeah, about 25 minutes in the oven. That is it, people. Turning every 10. While the wings are in there, people, it's time to make the glaze. Yeah, we've got our Magnum, our honey, our red pepper flakes, this smokehouse maple season. Oh my God, this smells really good. And liquid Scotch bonnet. And I'll show you how we're gonna do the process. All right, cook and vibe with fully rum decante there, people. Decante method. Look, it's got bullets in the glasses. How cool is that? A little bit of Ray Nephews in there. But today it's all about the Magnum. You understand? That is it. Is it, people? I hope everybody is all right, man. You get me? Again, if you ain't subscribed, do the right thing. Press that like button. Get the video moving. Hope everybody's all right. The previous constant uploads, I've seen a lot of new subscribers. So welcome. Big up my old fans that've been there from the start. I love all you lot the same. You understand? It's a one family. It's a one team. You understand? Cook and vibe where you're forward and you just smile. Some food and rare tete, you understand? That is it. Garden stuff. Listen, it's getting to the point now where I really need to start planting, and we need to see what I go on in the garden. So the next episode, we're gonna get out there, we're gonna see what I go on, we're gonna start planting. I bought some seeds back from Jamaica, I remember. So, and if you see the plant nursery, Jamaican Plant Center, if you didn't see it, go check it out. Fully active Magnum wings. Yes, people. So we've added our Magnum. I've actually added some brown sugar as well. I might add a little bit more. Added the red pepper flakes, the honey, and the maple seasoning. So now it's just about thickening up the sauce, really. Yeah, we'll turn it down, turn the heat down, and let that glaze up. We might need a little bit more sugar, but we should be all right. Yeah, that is it, people. I've just added my Scotch bonnets, and this is not really like to really make it spicy. That's why I ain't chopped it up and put it in there. It's just more of a flavour thing. So basically, we're just going to put it in there, and then once it's done, we're just going to take it out and chuck it away. You know what I'm saying? I'm just waiting for this to thicken up now, people. Good vibes. Magnum wings. The chicken's ready, as you can see. Yes. So now it's just time to add the glaze to the chicken wings. As you can see over here, it's pretty much done. That is fine. That is just how I want it. Because I'm gonna put them, get me a little grill. Just to in the main. But yeah, man, look at that Magnum glaze. Oh, it's smelling really nice as well, man. This should go. I think we've done Magnum wings before, but I feel like this is a better recipe, so follow this one. Fully active, people. I'm now gonna dash. Umbukla! Sorry for my bad word, but yo! Look at that. That is how you make a glaze, people. That is how you make a Magnum glaze. Look at that. Thick and lovely. Yeah, so what we're gonna do now is, I've just done this for the camera. But we're basically just gonna chuck all them wings back in this because it's got all the beer in it, you know what I'm saying? And then just a good vibes, people. That is it. Fully active. Right, as you can see, people, we'll just get our wings in there, and then we're gonna just get this marinade all over it. Jeez. Good vibes. I'm gonna be honest, this doesn't need to be grilled. Yeah, this doesn't need to be grilled. Because, yeah, it's so nice and thick. You actually don't need to. Oh, good vibes, people. That is it. Oh, these look banging, I'm not gonna lie. It's very thick, this glaze though. But that's what I wanted to stick to it, because nobody don't want no watery glaze, you know what I mean? Boy, Magnum in a Bomboclat, fully active. Yo, so the most important part of the whole recipe, you got to test the Magnums, okay? You got to make sure it's good. Do you know what I mean? Just like checking your vegetables, and you got to check the Magnum's good. So I'd recommend drinking 1 or 2 throughout this process. Yeah, it helps with the process, you know what I'm saying? So that is it, people. We're ready up now. We're just plating it up, that is it. Now, there's no games here, is there? Jamie Oliver, go sit on your bum bucker, okay, you don't know nothing about this. Magnum wings, they look mad, people, trust me. Look at that glaze, nice little sticky and... So basically, some of the Magnums are filled up with different stuff because they've been half drunk and let us half. Oh, you gotta have a look, you gotta have a little Magnum, you know what I mean? There's 5 there now, as you can see. Well, I'll go on after this. Oh, goodbye, let me taste them and show you what I'll go on. Taste time, people. Magnum wings. Flat or round? Me, I like flat. I like round. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go for a round. Yeah, there we go. Really nice. Let me put this down. Really good. Nothing's overpowering. It's not too sweet. It's not too spicy. You can taste everything in there. That's really, really nice. You know what? This tops the last time I've done it. Actually really good. Follow that exact recipe what I've done. Don't change nothing. I promise you. Magnum wings is crazy. It's done 19 set people. Fully active. I love you lot. See you again soon.